Tornado emergency for southern Stewart County into Webster County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Stewart and Webster counties. At 12:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Benevolence, or 7 miles south of Lumpkin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for southern Stewart County and Webster County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Lumpkin, Preston, Richland, Weston, Seminole, Kimbrough, Westville, Leveretts, Troutman, Churchill, Centerpoint, Dumas and Chambliss. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.